Hello, my reader friends! Welcome back to Storytime. Today, I have another fantastic Christmas story. The plan for the gingerbread house looks quite tasty. I've seen a gingerbread house, but when I tried making it, it was a total fail. Pictures by Joven by Darcy Pattison. But before we get started, please subscribe for more fun videos with me and to hear more fun Christmas stories. So let's get started. This is the project, Miss Shelderton said. You'll build a sweet house made of gingerbread. Beautiful, comfortable, cozy. What's best? There are only two things for the judges to test. Will the gingerbread boy and girl fit inside? Will it stand on its own and not fall inside? This is our plan. Oh, marvelous plan for a gingerbread house. These are the cookies, all ready to bake. We hurriedly measure and cut them in size, but we cooked them too long. They're burned. A mistake! Still, these are the cookies to follow our plan. Oh, the marvelous plan for our gingerbread house. This is the icing that dries hard and strong. We whip up the eggs white and sugar till stiff. Good grief! It's too thin and gooey. All wrong. Still, this is the icing to glue all the cookies to follow our plan. Oh, the marvelous plan for a gingerbread house. Why are you using a crane? You can just drag the gingerbread. These are the walls that should stand straight and tall. We spread the white icing to hold them in place, but this wall is too thick, and that one is too small. It wibbles and wobbles. Look out! Hold it steady! The glue finally works. We follow our plan. Oh, the marvelous plan for a gingerbread house. This is the roof that we drop right on top. But uneven walls mean a roof that's askew, and it's nibbled and pinched, and that must stop. The walls and the roof and the walls that were glued with the icing that's gooey and thin, that were cut and then baked to follow our plan. Oh, the marvelous plan for a gingerbread house. These are the grown jobs, each color and hue. Someone's been snacking, and many are gone. So take what is left and just whack them in two, and set them in rows with them space in between the walls and the roof and the walls. Oh no! It's a cave-in! We glue and we glue and we glue and we glue. It's upright again! The walls and the roof and the walls that were glued with the icing that's gooey and thin, that were cut and then baked to follow our plan. Oh, the marvelous plan for a gingerbread house. We're done! Let's check with the rubric. Oh no! Where's the door for the boy and the girl? Oh my god. We're done! But let's check with the rubric. Oh no! Where's the door for the boy and the girl? So we chisel a doorway painstakingly slow. Be careful! Don't crumble or crack anything! The walls and the roof and the walls that are glued with the icing that's gooey and thin, that are cut and then baked to follow our plan. Oh, a marvelous plan for gingerbread house. This is it! The gingerbread fair is today! The judges must study each house on display. Some houses have slumped, their architects grown. But ours is well built, and it stands on its own. Our pattern of candies are shockingly neat. Looks so delicious and ready to eat. Okay, I want to take a head first bite in that. That looks delicious. We are the kids who stare with wide eyes at our gingerbread house that won the grand prize because we followed our plan. Oh, the marvelous plan for our gingerbread house. Home sweet home. Hot cocoa and the boy and the girl gingerbread are dancing. This is the list of lessons we learned. Set a timer so no cookies are burned. 2. Make the icing quite thick. 3. Measure twice without haste. And 4. Slap penny hands, sneaking cookies are chased. Let's add the plans. A gigantic front door that opens and closes as judges explore. Last, the whole roof needs a brand new sign. Perhaps even lights that twinkle and shine. This is our gingerbread house. Oh, marvelous plan. Oh, marvelous house. The end. I hope you enjoyed reading this fantastic book. What did you think of it? I thought it was so cool. See you later in another Christmas book. Bye, reader friends, and happy holidays!